We want the design team especially to feel confident in MetroWall as an organization that we can accomplish what their goals are for their client. Fusion was handling both projects for the tenant. This was kind of a two-pronged project because this tenant was looking at doing two spaces simultaneously, one in the Boston market, another one here in Morristown, New Jersey. The Morristown project was much larger in scope, full floor plate, over 1,000 linear feet of glass wall, which is a good sized project. And then we had the Boston component, which was a little smaller, but different design detail. Also had an operable partition component in it as well.
This was definitely a very unique project. The client had a very specific vision for the project. So sort of understanding what their goal was and customizing some, interesting design solutions to their own aesthetic. We really love working with clients and addressing their idea of an aesthetic, but able to even enhance that. The project was very fast-paced, which is typical, but this project in particular had a lot of kind of custom design elements and other specialties in finishes that had longer lead times. So we were monitoring all of that really closely. We wanted to make sure that we could maintain the design intent while meeting the budget and schedule challenges. We spent a lot of time really thinking about the needs of the individuals coming to work every day. We spend a lot of time at work, and having a space that you're excited to come to every day makes work more enjoyable.
It's especially important to me to have clients that say, I want to work with these folks again. I like MetroWall, I like their process, and it's a team effort.
The MetroWall team has been great. Any questions that we've had, we've been able to get a reaction really quickly. Great team members, great collaborators. I think MetroWall did a great job both addressing the functional needs while really maintaining the aesthetic